Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Coding Tips, and welcome to the seventh part of my series called Building a Professional Website like Airbnb.com. Or basically, you're just gonna learn how to build a really great, responsive, actually not responsive, but a really great website. So far, we have created this unique, actually, it's not a unique header, but it's a really cool header that is almost the same as Airbnb.com. Airbnb.com's header. The search bar, that is actually a div because there's no JavaScript. We've created this just like in Airbnb, and we have also started creating the main body just like this. So in this episode, I'm gonna create this little box, and I'm gonna try and create these three other little boxes. So without further ado, oh wow, I messed that up. But yeah, let's get right into it. So let me see. What's the space between this and this? Let's see. I actually forgot to open up my brackets. Let's go ahead and open that up. And great. So let's see. Let me see where I put it for the role text. Alright. Let me see this. Margin bottom 25 pixels. So I guess it's 25 pixels. So now what we're gonna do is go to the New York div and create a margin right 25 pixels as well. And we're gonna go ahead and let me see this. New York div. Alright, we're gonna create a new div and then give it an ID of William div, because I know it says Natalie or something. Natnally. Oh, Nat. It's an H. Alright, but in the last episode it said William, and I'm just gonna go ahead with William. So if I do William div, let's go ahead and do the same here. So William div, alright. And now what we're gonna do is basically create the width. So width, actually, hold on, width. So what's gonna be the width of this? So what's the width here? So 550. Alright, so 950 minus 550 is 400, and 400 minus 25 is 375. So we're gonna create it by, but wait, we're also gonna have to do this. 3 times 370. What? Huh. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem, but let's see. Let's think for a while. So, these four parts are equal, so we're gonna have to think of a way to, think of a size for them. So it's gonna be 900, and actually it's gonna be 25 times 3. Alright, so 950 minus 75 divided by 3. Yeah. So 875 divided by 3 is 290 pixels. Alright. What if we make it 20 pixels? So, 950 minus 60 and 890 divided by 3 is, alright, we're gonna have an issue. What if we do 22 pixels? 22 times 3, and 950 minus 66, 884 divided by 3 is, Alright, 290 times 3. 950 minus 870 divided by 3. 80 divided by 3. 80 divided by 3. 26. So we're gonna basically do 26.6 pixels, so I'm gonna change that as well. And this as well. 26.6. And I'm gonna leave it like this. So what did we do? 290 pixels, I think. Height of, well, first let's go to position of absolute. Position absolute 100% height, and I'm gonna give it a background color of red and a right of 0. What? 1 second. Interesting. So wait, 209 times 3 and 950 minus 870 is 80. And 80 divided by 3 is 26.6. I don't get it, to be fair. Huh. Well, what's the width of this? 550 pixels. Let's change it to 600. Alright. So now I'm gonna have to change the padding here all over again. I don't know, 220, 120, 225, and 225. Yeah. Alright. 223. Oh, what? And 223.5. Alright, no point. I just really want to make this accurate. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so now 950 minus 600 is 350. 350 minus 75 is 275. So 275 divided by 3 is 90. Wow. How big are we supposed to make this, man? I'm gonna give it actually 25 pixels again. 25 pixels, and I'm gonna give it a width of 300 pixels. Let's see. Well, actually, I have to divide. Oh, I forgot that there's only 2 margins, like 2 spaces here. So, oh, yeah. Okay, that makes a lot of sense now. Yeah. So, a width of, wait, so let's do this all over. So, 950 divided by, well, wait, hold on. 950 minus 50 is 900, and 900 divided by 3 is, 30. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do is basically change the size of this. So this is 300 pixels, the red William div, and what we're gonna do is let's see, how big are we supposed to make it? So 300, it's gonna take up the 2, so 300 plus 25, 625 pixels it has to be. That's how big it has to be. Yes. Alright. Now I have to change the pattern again, of course. But first I'm gonna remove the background color of black. Alright. And it's looking pretty sweet so far. So we're gonna have to change it to like 230 and 230. Here is perfect, and it's perfect here. Alright, 232 and 332. 2. Alright, 333 and 333. Alright, perfect. Perfect. So now what we have to find is a sweet home. So home, something. Home, paper. Inside home wallpaper. I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Now what we're gonna have to do is create this circular form, which isn't gonna be a problem. Let's find a little bit smaller resolution, like this. But still, it's big, so something like this. Save image as William Home. And now, background image is gonna be the URL. William Home. Of course, you gotta change the background size. Background size. Cover. Let me turn on my cooling for the laptop. Is it cover? It is. Alright, so it's looking pretty good. You can't really read the New York actually. But anyway, it's still looking pretty good. So now what we're gonna have to do is create this div. So you'll see how that's gonna work. So we're gonna go inside and let's see how it's aligned. It's not in the center, is it? No. Alright. Oops. Alrighty. So we're gonna go in the William div and create a new div, and I'm gonna give it an ID of William profile or something. Div. William profile div. And there we go. So now what we're gonna do is do it in the same as this is. So William profile div, curly brackets, and the width is gonna be actually position absolute, the position absolute width 6 pixels. Height has to be 6 pixels as well because it's gonna be a circle, and the border radius is gonna be 60 pixels as well because it's a circle as well. So the width and the height and the border radius have to be the same in order to be a circle. And the background color of red. Is it big enough? maybe 65 by 65 is gonna do it. Yeah, there we go. Now let's align it in the center. So left 50%, margin left minus 65 divided by 2 was 32.5 pixels. Wait, yes. Alright, but just in case, I do it alright. And from the top, it's gonna be like 50, no wait, 100 pixels. Yes. Well, maybe, but you know what? I think it's good. It is, actually. And we're gonna give it a border, of course, because there's a white border. So border, 1 pixel, solid white. Or maybe it's 2 pixels. Alright, there we go. Now let's find a William photo. Photo of William. You know, not Prince William, but hey, I don't know, profile. Or person of, photo of a man. Oz, Superman. You know what? Let's use this one. And we're gonna use a little smaller size like this. Maybe this. Better resolution. You know what? I'm gonna go with it. Save image as William. We're gonna save it as William. And background image URL william.jpg. Okay. And the background size, cover. Alright, perfect. So I have the photo now, but as you can see there's a text. So we're gonna wanna write that text. We're gonna go to William div and create a new key tag. And what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna give it an ID of William home. There's gonna be a big CSS file. That's what I don't like in making big websites, that the CSS gets enormously huge. You have no idea actually, because this is just the beginning. But anyway, PID William home. I'm gonna write Williams. Oh, yeah. Alright. And as you can see, you can't read that text either here. So basically, gonna have to worry about the New York not being able. We don't have to worry about the New York not being readable. I'm sorry. So we're gonna go to CSS and write a P. ID of William home text, and why not? Wait, doesn't tell me it's a link. Oh, it is. You know what? I'm not gonna be creating the links because there's no use in it. I mean, we're just gonna leave this here. But no more links. So yeah. William's home text. William home text. William home text. And we're gonna write font family sans serif, color white, text align center, font size 22 pixels. Alrighty. Maybe 25. 23. Yes. Alright, so now what we have to do is position this. Wait, we can't position it absolute. I mean, we can, but we don't want to do that because text align is going to get removed. So we're going to write a margin top of 120 pixels. Wow. 180. Maybe 190. There we go. Williams, home, and then I have to create a new text. So PID equals William home city. William city text. I'm gonna write London, or you know what, Frankfurt, or William is an English name, so yeah, London. But again, there's Palm, so we're gonna write Miami. Miami. You can also do Tampa, but Miami is fine too. Miami. So Williams City. Why did I write city like this? City text. William City text. Now there is, I'm gonna say this again, there is a way easier method of creating and working with CSS, but again, we're not allowed to use it's not that we're not allowed, but I'm not using class here since we're only going to be using it for this website and for this page only, and I'm not really worrying about organization or anything because it's just a tutorial website. Like, I'm gonna probably delete it after this because I mean it's simple to create, it's not as hard as you think. So yeah, I just want to point that out. And it's becoming a really long tutorial actually. But anyway, font family sans serif, color white, text align center. I am. Alright, so now margin top minus 30 pixels. So 30 pixels. Alright, minus 20, let's say. And perfect. Oh, and now there's this. We're gonna create it? Yes, we are. So again, a new div, but wait, hold on a second. Alright, a new div in the index.html. Wait, William div. So div ID equals William price tag. Well, like William price tag doesn't sound as good, but William home price. William home price. ID, so William home price div, just for the sake of it. It's not important, but I like it this way. And again, I am really bad at naming like elements in CSS. So width is gonna be, let's see this. 100 pixels. Height is gonna be 25 pixels. Background color, right. Well, the width is good, but not the height, so the height's gonna be 50. Alright, let's make it 35. 40. Now the width, I just realized it's not good enough, so 80. And yeah, perfect. So now we're gonna have to remove the red and create RGBA one of 0.7 and 0.8. But no, I like it 0.7 better. And again, this is gray in RGBA, so hex-color.com. Let's do this. Oh yeah, color-hex.com. And let's choose a gray color like this. And now hex to RGBA. Come on, load faster. I am uploading a video at the moment, so that's why my internet is pretty slow. Alright, so copy this and paste it in here. 0.7 for the transparency. 0.8. And we're good to go. So now let's create the price tag. So basically, one, PID William home price text. And I'm gonna write dollar sign, and I don't know, 36 or 350. Cool. So now we have to edit it. William home price text. William home price text. Curly bracket. Font family sans serif. Color white. Font size 30 pixels. Oh, that's gonna be huge. Actually, it's not that bad. Maybe 28. Alright, 27. Cool. So text align center, of course. Text align center. Now we have to align it in the center, so vertically, so margin top like 10 pixels, or maybe actually 30 pixels. What the hell? Margin top 100 pixels, if I write, there's nothing gonna happen. What? This is weird. I'm gonna try one thing. Oh, I can't. It is on the table. Position relative. Position relative. And it's aligned there, right? Alright, cool. Actually, we're gonna have to align it. Margin top just a little bit. What the? Oh. Alright, 110. What? 80 pixels. Man, see how CSS always finds a way to to mess up everything. 40 pixels. If I write 400, nothing's gonna happen. Well then, why isn't it changing? Alright, 30. 40. Alright, perfect. Perfect. And man, it is a really long episode, which I'm sorry about. So, man, how am I supposed to do this? You know what? Position, absolute. Okay, no position absolute. But I want to change the margin, top, 10 pixel. Come on. Oh man. Why is it happening this? Why is it happening actually? You know what? I'll leave it for a future tutorial, but I'm gonna like change the dollar sign because you see it's different. So we're gonna do that with the span. So span ID equals William dollar sign. Actually, I'm just gonna write dollar sign. Small dollar sign. And write this in here. Small dollar sign, and I'm gonna give it a class because I might use it again. Oh no. Dot statements. And small dollar sign. And just gonna change the font size to 15 pixels. Alright, 13. Small. Nope. 15. 15 it is. And margin top minus 10 pixels. What the? What? Position absolute. Come on. Alright. Top 10 pixels. 8. Left 0. Alright, left 5 pixels. Maybe 8 as well. Yeah. Alright, perfect. So yeah, that was it for this episode. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. And I just want to mention something really quick at the end of this super long episode. I have a PayPal account for donations, and those donations are gonna go. Well, currently they're gonna go for actually no wait, that's gonna be next year. But currently I'm working on a huge project for you guys that is a secret for now until, like, I don't know, a couple of months. But I'm gonna need your help. So for donations, the amount is free. You can enter any amount you want, and the link is down in the description below. But um, I'm gonna need investigation because I want to create better content for you guys. So yeah, if you can, please help me out. If not, that's okay. Just like and subscribe, and you'll be perfect. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.